All right, so here we are. We've got a Tesla that's been updated to the new version 10 of the software. And I'm going to show you how to get to Plex with audio. You could always do it in the browser, but you wouldn't get audio and it wouldn't be full screen. But now, with the new version 10, I'm going to show you two ways to do that. So first, you want to go to Entertainment, and then I think it defaults to arcade mode, but go to Theater. And for this first method, I'm going to show you how to do it without any pre-setup through the Hulu, but it takes a few steps. So this first method is less efficient, but doesn't need anything done up front. I'll show you another way that makes it a little quicker in the second approach. All right, so first approach, you go here to Hulu. And one thing that's interesting about the Hulu approach is that essentially the Hulu integration in this is just a full-size browser that takes you to the Hulu website. So what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. It'll take a while, but keep going till you get to this page, the bottom of the page with the footer, and you're going to hit privacy policy. And I think I waited too long and it skipped out of the way, but so you want to make sure you get to that privacy policy link before it moves. And you're going to scroll down a little bit and hit this adobe.com manage link. It will be one of the few links on that page. Once you're in Adobe, you can go here and you can search Adobe for Google. I know this is roundabout, but this is a way to basically get you to Google, which will allow you to basically get to anything on the internet. And you're going to scroll down until you see Enable Flash Player for Google Chrome. Click on that. And then here, you're going to see a link to the Chrome blog. So you're going to click on that Chrome blog, which gets you to a Google page. You're going to take that, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see Google down here. You're going to tap on Google, and now you're at Google. So once you do that, you can basically get to anything on the internet. We're going to type in plex.tv and hit enter. It will take you to a page which allows you to get to Plex. And then once you're there, I'm already signed in, but you can sign into your account and you can click the launch button, and that essentially will get you to Plex. Now there's a couple things about Plex that can be a little tricky to use, that I found that there's some issues with it. So I'm going to show you how to make it work to actually play videos, because I didn't think it was possible at first because I kept getting issues. But what you can do is you can't just tap on a video to play it. What you can do is tap on the title of the video to get it to come up in this page. And you'll notice you can try to hit this play button, but it kind of flickers and doesn't do anything. But what you can do is you can say, go up here to the little ellipses, or the, I don't know if that's not really a hamburger, but you can click add to queue, add it to the queue, and then once it's in the queue, you can say like play next, and it will show up down here. And so then you can take this, and this actually gets you to, I had done this video earlier, but you can do this, it will get you to this video. You can actually click next to get you to the next video, but it allows you to play videos where you couldn't before. But this allows you to play videos in Plex, and you can do the normal things you can do in Plex once you do it. So this gives you that ability. So that's the first method to do it. I'm going to show you another method. It's a little faster, not quite as roundabout. All right, so that was one method to do it. Here's another method that's a little easier, a little faster, but you got to have something set up ahead of time. Which actually, this video, if you look in the description, I'm going to put a link to plex.tv in it, so that you can actually just search for this video on YouTube, make this a little easier. But in the meantime, the way I did this, and you can use this trick to get to any site within the browser that supports passing through audio to your audio system, you can actually go here and you can search for Tesla Plex or something like that. But I've got the auto opening trunk. There's one of my videos out here. If you search and you go down to my video here, if you click on this, I actually added in the comments section, I added a link to plex.tv, and so you can quickly go there, search for a video that has a link that you need in the comments, and then you're now in Plex. And so you've gotten to Plex. Like I showed before, audio still works. You just have to click this launch button and it will take you into the Plex interface. You select your user and you're good to go. So now we actually have a way to get to Plex.